Recognize the problem. Acknowledge that your thoughts about this person are causing harm. Identify triggers. Understand what situations or emotions lead to these thoughts. Limit contact. Reduce or cut off contact with the person to create distance. Seek support. Talk to friends or a therapist to help you cope with your feelings. Focus on self-improvement. Invest time in personal growth and self-care. Set boundaries. Define what is acceptable and what is not in the relationship. Distract yourself. Engage in activities that keep your mind occupied. Replace negative thoughts. When those thoughts arise, consciously replace them with positive ones. Visualize the future. Imagine a life without the person and the benefits it would bring. Patience and time. Understand that breaking addictive thought patterns takes time and effort.